the kids that you can be. Come and follow me. Albo!
I say dance,
Guys, here we go again. Unfreeze.
Woo! Oh! Hi, Miss Joey.
Hi, Albo. Wow, I see that you are ready for today's activity.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I am. That's why I'm dressed up like a snowman. Because I know we're going to...
Yes.
Oh, wait. You say we're going to...
Yeah, we're going to take some water
We're going to...
and we're going to freeze it and then we're going to unfreeze.
Unfreeze. Woo! Yeah, because you said that word and I...
Yes, I get it. So as I was saying, today we're going to do some magic. We're going to turn water into ice right in front of your eyes.
Wait, how do you do that, Miss Joey? How do you turn water into ice? You have to...
Yes,
you
first
have
we're
you have
going to freeze the water and then unfreeze.
Unfreeze. Because you said that word, so...
Yes, I got you. So as I was saying,
you have to turn water to ice by...
yes, and we're going to...
By
How about I show you?
Okay.
So we have a bucket of ice, and then we're going to take this bottle of water,
Whoa.
and we're going to gently and slowly pour it out. So watch this.
Wow! That looks so cool.
Yeah? You think so?
You're like, you know magic. You're like Elsa from Frozen. Can I try?
Of course. Here's some for you. Here's one for you.
They're both for me. Cool.
Yes.
I'm gonna do this one first.
So this is what I did. All I did was take a bowl of water and put it in the fridge. Remember, when you put it in the fridge, you put it in the colder side. Put it on the side, and leave it there for 2.5, maybe 3 hours. Now, when you take it out, be careful. Don't shake it. Don't bump it. Open it gently and pour it out slowly like Albo did just then. Now, here's the thing, kids. You better watch out and not put it in the fridge for too long, or else the water's going to freeze and this activity is not going to work. And then, oh dear, unfreeze, guys, it's not working. I need your help. On the count of 3, we're going to say unfreeze together. 1, 2, 3, unfreeze.
Oh! Thank you, Miss Joey.
Yes.
Oh!
Hi.
I thought I was gonna...
How about we do another magic trick using ice?
Maybe, because I don't want to... Yeah. Oh.
Woo! Now, this one is also very simple. Each of us gets a piece of ice, a piece of string, and some salt. Now, wait!
Oh, wait.
Here's what we're gonna do. Now you're gonna wait, look, and
Look.
listen, right?
Listen.
Alright. So
Look at this.
here's what we're doing. We're going to freeze this piece of string onto the ice, and then, like magic, it'll be stuck together like I used glue when I did it. So put the string on top, wrap a pinch of salt, maybe a few more pinches, and then gently press it onto the ice. Now here's the hardest part. We gotta wait just for 20 seconds. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then voila! This string is frozen to the elbow. Kids, I think he's frozen again. You know what to do, right? So on the count of 3, let's help unfreeze him. 1, 2, 3. Unfreeze!
Oh! No more! No more! No more! No more! That's enough for today.
Yeah.
No more! I don't want to get frozen.
Kids, I think Albo needs to take a break under the sun today. So I think that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!